Hey guys, it's Scott Anderson, and in this video I'm going to share with you how a married couple has been able to earn $1,300 in just 3 days. I'm going to share with you the exact proof and the simple strategy of how they've been able to do this. So stay tuned. Okay, before we dive in, I just want to introduce myself if you are new to my YouTube channel. My name is Scott Anderson. On the channel, we chat about affiliate marketing and making money online to fuel your finances and your freedom. So subscribe if you'd like to watch videos about this type of content. Tip that bell notification if you'd like to be notified when the videos are released. Guys, comment below if you'd like to enter into a 30-minute free coaching call, and please smash the like button if you like this video. Okay, you guys, here is my computer screen, and I'm showing you the exact post that came from a closed Facebook group that I'm part of. It's called the High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator. And this post came from the married couple. Their names are Morrell and Dirk. And they simply said, hey, we've made 3 sales. Each of the sales, we made $400 and over $450 each by promoting. And this is all profit. How did they do it? Well, they sent out some emails. And they said, thank you, Joshua Elder, for teaching us how to leverage this awesome launch. Okay? So what is the launch? It was a thing called the Kibo Code. It was a new product coming out, and these guys were an affiliate. They shared their link. Others liked it when they read their emails. They clicked on it. They bought it. Sure enough, Morrell and Dirk made a commission. This is affiliate marketing at its finest, and it's very simple strategy. So I'm going to share with you guys, do a little reverse engineer how they were able to do it, so that way you can also create and get these type of commissions as well. Okay, so let's go into that right now. Okay, so the first question is, what did Morrell and Dirk first do? Okay, step number 1 is they joined Joshua Elder's program called the High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator. Now, in the past, the price has literally been up to $5,000 on special deals. At some point, there was like a $3,000 price tag. Seems like a lot, right? But there is a lot of value to that. But guys, I've got some good news for you. It's actually not $3,000. It's actually only $1 to get access to try it out. So $1, guys, practically free. It's very cool. So just like Dirk and his wife, they took action. They got started with the High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator, and they did pay that higher price tag. Okay, and when you get the $1 program, there's an order bump that's a one-time offer, and I highly suggest you get it, because that is the meat of this whole strategy of how these guys were able to earn those 3 big commissions in just 3 days. Okay, it's called launch jacking. Joshua goes into some really good in-depth training. There's lots of videos and answers questions, all that good stuff. It's $37. It's a one-time price, and you'll always have that. Okay, so if you want the strategy, you want the formula, you have to invest a little bit of money. But trust me, as you invest and learn your knowledge and have this, you will be confident that you can crush it and get these type of commissions. Okay, so step number 2, once you have access to this, you need to consume and learn. There's a lot of programs out there where people get all excited and they're like, oh, I want to make money. They buy the thing, but they don't even consume the content. Guys, this won't even take that long, but I highly suggest to consume and learn just like this couple did. Okay, watch the videos, take notes, and when you join the program for $1, you will get access to the Facebook group where you can ask members like myself and others questions. Okay, so that's step number 2. Step number 3 is to take action. So you're gonna learn and consume all this stuff, and that's awesome. But are you gonna make money just by consuming? No, you have to create, you have to build. Okay, so ask yourself this question, or answer this question. Has there at one point ever been where you're like, oh, I wish I could make money online. If someone could just teach me the exact steps, then I would do it. I would just plug in the work, because I'm a worker. I'm willing to plug in the work. Well, guys, this is that. Just follow the steps, put in the work, and create content, and sure enough, you can earn these same types of commissions. So what is that type of content? Well, just like Morrell and Dirk, they did very little action actually, but they took action. So they found a program to promote that. You'll learn that with the launch jacking stuff. And then they just created an email. And the cool thing is they didn't even craft up their own email. They literally just took one of the email templates that the program gave to them. In fact, I think it gave them like multiple emails. So they just grab the email, send it to their list. Now, if you don't have a list, that's fine. There's other ways to do things. But they had a list of friends, people that follow them, and they sent out an email. And they sent out another email, and boom, voila. While Dirk was asleep, Morrell was up. She noticed that they got a sell. And then 2 other sales came after that. So it could be through an email, it could be through doing YouTube videos like this, it could be doing blogs, it could be doing stuff on Facebook, whatever your kind of thing is. But the cool thing is they didn't spend any money up front. It's all free content. So how do you get access? Guys, if you want access to this, it's only $1 and there's a link below. So check out that link below and you can start this awesome thing for the price of $38 total, okay? And you can learn a lot of things, learn from examples from other people in the group, get your feet wet, kind of see how Joshua's style is and see if you jive with him, and learn more from him, and once again, just implement. So guys, that is the basic strategy that Morrell and Dirk were able to earn those 3 big commissions, and it's through affiliate marketing. And guys, this is it. So if you are willing to take a little bit of courage and take some action, I'd highly suggest jumping in this. It's a very little cost. In fact, you don't even have to worry about the launch jacking for $37. If you just want to try out the overall thing for $1, you can do that. But this is the recipe for success for launch jacking. So guys, that is the end of the video. Once again, comment below if you have any questions or suggestions or anything. And also you can enter to get that free 30-minute coaching call with me. And guys, if you liked the video, please smash the like button. And overall, guys, have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.